We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming with this late-breaking news. Nora Island is absent and students continue to learn. Island, pictured here, gave the following telephone interview.
Yeah, I wasn't able to be at school today, and I know how the students feel when they have to go a day without learning Spanish.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone.
So I created this little video so that the students could continue to learn even though I was gone. Please turn off and put away all cell phones. Please refrain from talking. Feel free to raise your hand if you have a question for the substitute. And don't hesitate to use the pause button if needed. Entonces, saca papel y un lápiz y prepárate para tomar apuntes. Although it is my suggestion that you watch the movie through one time before you begin taking notes. The topic that we're going to learn today is called the impersonal say. I know what you're thinking. We already learned about say when we learned the reflexive verbs like lavarse and cepillarse. This is a completely different use of that same word say. Perhaps you've seen a sign or seen in a commercial where it says se habla español and wondered maybe what that meant. It's clearly about somebody speaking Spanish, but there really is no subject, no él, ella, no proper noun. So exactly who's doing the speaking there? Well, the say in front of that verb makes it be translated to we speak Spanish, or Spanish is spoken, or one speaks Spanish. There is no exact subject of the verb when the say is present. I'm guessing that at one time or another you had to write a research paper, most likely for your English teacher. And in that paper you said something like, you buy iPods at the Apple Store. Or maybe you said, you get a ticket if you drive too fast on the highway. And your English teacher said, probably quite emphatically, don't use the word you. That impersonal you, or fictitious you, is exactly what the say in front of the verb represents. Check out these examples. Se vende una gran cantidad de helado. A large quantity of ice cream is sold. Or, they sell a large quantity of ice cream. There is no exact subject, there is no they. It doesn't say Tanner sells a lot of ice cream or Canada sells a lot of ice cream. It's an impersonal statement, therefore say is in front of the verb. A like sentence is se escribe el libro en italiano. They write the book in Italian, or the book is written in Italian. I don't know who wrote it. There's an unknown subject, there is no doer. Therefore, to make that general impersonal statement, say goes in front of the verb. Or this example, se habla ruso en el mercado. Russian is spoken in the shopping center or market. I don't know who speaks Russian. It doesn't say Addie speaks Russian in the market. Just they do, someone impersonal. Therefore, I put a say in front of habla. Now look at the difference in these two statements. It says, mis amigos comieron la torta. My friends ate the cake. The second one says, se comió la torta. The cake was eaten. By whom, I don't know. In the first sentence, my friends were the subject, and the second sentence, an indefinite or impersonal you. The same thing applies in this example. Los choferes pagan las multas los lunes. The chauffeurs pay the fines on Mondays. Or the drivers pay the fines on Mondays. I know who's paying the fines. There's a subject. The second example says, se pagan las multas los lunes. The fines are paid on Mondays, or they pay the fines on Mondays, or one pays the fines on Mondays. There is no exact doer, therefore there's a say in front of the verb. The last thing I want to tell you about impersonal say construction is this. When the direct object is singular, the verb is singular. Look at the top sentence. Se vende gasolina en Gas America. They sell gas at Gas America. Since gas is singular, vende is singular. Look at the second sentence. Se venden iPods in Walmart. iPods are plural. Sell is plural. Look at the second set of examples. Se sirve helado en Dairy Queen. They serve ice cream at Dairy Queen. What do they serve? Ice cream. Ice cream is singular. Therefore, serve is singular. Look at the second sentence in that section. That's hard to say. Se sirven tacos en Taco Bell. They serve tacos at Taco Bell. What do they serve? Tacos. Tacos are plural, therefore sirven is plural. Please note in all of these sentences there is no exact subject. It doesn't say that Tyler sells gas at Gas America and that Austin sells iPods at Walmart. It's the impersonal se. No exact subject, therefore se falls in front of the verb. At this time, the substitute teacher is going to give you some practice activities for tomorrow. Please work with your neighbor to get this completed. If you are uncertain of the material, watch the video again, take notes again, recopy the notes you already took, help yourself to figure it out. It is due tomorrow, no excuses. Good luck with your assignment, and I will see you tomorrow. Adios.